Hello, in this video we will be talking about the types of claim. But before we proceed let us first define what is a claim. In academic writing, an argument is usually a main idea, often called a claim or thesis statement, backed up with evidence that supports the idea. When you are writing, you should take a position and prove why it is a good position for a thinking person to hold. So that is your claim. And you do not just simply claim, you do not just simply take a position, but when you've decided to take a position, you will be supporting it with evidence and proof. Okay, now let us proceed with the types of claims. The first type of claim is the claim of fact. It makes an assertion about something that can be proved or disproved with factual evidence. It focuses on assertion which uses facts to back it up, but for which the evidence might still be debatable. Please take note of that one. Gumagamit ka dito ng facts and evidence, proof, however, those evidence might still be debatable. Okay? Ibig sabihin, pwede pa siyang i-argue. Hindi siya katulad ng mga fact na those are already proven and those are not open to debate anymore. But if we are making a claim of fact, although we want to prove or disprove something with support with our factual evidence, but these are still debatable topic. This is an example of a claim of fact, a statement of a claim of fact. Decreasing carbon dioxide emissions from car exhaust, manufacturing processes, fertilizers, and landfills while slowing deforestation may help slow the process of global warming. As you can see in that statement, if you will not really look into it deeply, it sounds like a fact. Like it is not debatable anymore. However, just by simply looking at the word being used by the writer may help. Ibig sabihin, it is not yet sure if it will really help or not in slowing the process of global warming. That's why this statement is still a debatable statement under our claim of fact. Remember that when we are claiming a fact, we want to prove or disprove something with factual evidence. Next one, we have our claim of value. It argues that something is good or bad, or that one thing is better than the other thing. It is very simple to differentiate the claim of fact to claim of value because when we talk about claim of fact again, we want to prove or disprove something. However, pagdating naman dito sa claim of value, we want to say that something is good or something is better than the other thing. Okay, this is an example. It's better to apply good nutritional choices at home than teach them at school because good nutrition then becomes ingrained in the child's experience. Alright, so dito may pinapakitang isang bagay na mas maganda or better than the other thing. So sa case na ito, mas maganda daw na i-apply yung good nutritional choices sa bahay pa lang, sa tahanan, kesa sa school kasi nga, 'di ba you are nurtured by your parents and of course in your early stages, mas mabuti if you are being taught with this thing first than by teaching it at school. Kasi daw, according to the claim, it becomes ingrained in the child's experience. So, magiging habit na siya. And pag nagiging habit na, magiging easy na lang or yun na nga, magiging routinary na yan sa isang bata. So, hindi na niya kailangang mag-aral pa or kailangan pang mag-adjust to know what are the good nutritional choices. Okay, let us now proceed with claim of fallacy. So, pag sinasabi naman natin claim of fallacy, it argues that certain conditions should exist or that something should or should not be done in order to solve a problem. So, we have an existing problem, and that because of that, we want something to be done or not to be done, that a certain condition should exist or should not exist. So, you see the difference among the three. Kanina sa claim of fact, magpo-prove tayo or disprove a something. Pagdating naman sa claim of value, gusto nating ipakita na yung isang bagay ay mas maganda kaysa sa isang bagay. Dito naman, gusto nating may gagawin or may hindi dapat gawin para ma-solve yung isang certain situation or phenomena. Let's say, for example, the city's Board of Education should institute an honors program not only for high school students but for elementary and junior high school students as well. So as you can see here, what is being implemented or ano yung dapat na gawin. Dito sinasabi na yung Board of Education daw should institute an honors program. So, ganun yung pinapakita ng claim na ito. Okay? So, napakasimple lang naman pag-aralan itong claim of fact, claim of value, and claim of fallacy at madali lang ding makita kung ano yung kaibahan ng tatlo. However, magiging komplikado na siya pagdating sa pagbabasa natin with a certain article. Mahihirapan tayo if we are not a critical reader. Magiging mahirap sa atin mag-identify if the statement is a claim or it's already a fact or a universal truth. Kasi magkaiba yung claim sa totoo na talaga. So, yun yung kailangang malaman nyo at kailangang ma-master nyo when you are reading and of course when you are also writing. Kasi pag alam nyo paano mag-claim, ibig sabihin, kabisado nyo, master nyo yung topic ninyo at ikaw mismo as a writer is convinced with the point na pinili mo in a certain topic. All right, so those are all for our discussion this day. This is the website where I get the content of our PowerPoint presentation. So if you have any question, please do ask it during our Google meeting. Thank you so much, everyone.